What have I done? What have I done? Share the adventure, join all the fun.
It's Sunday morning. I slept for maybe 5 hours. Now I need to get up and start packing this tent down and getting ready for departure. Linda's gonna pick me up in a while. I need to get breakfast and get my computer and get home. It is Tuesday and tomorrow I'm going to fly to Helsinki, Finland to do a presentation, and then in the evening I fly to Copenhagen to go to Malmö. So it's 3 capitals in one day. Ching! Today, the Sweden Rock 2018 video, the compilation video, went up just under 47 minutes out of 5 hours of footage. I set up all late afternoon, night and evening, but not in that order. It took me about 9 hours to edit that, but I'm happy. And it's just, you know, when you come home from the festival, you're slightly in a little mini depression because you're suddenly not in that state of mind where there's music playing and all your friends and all the people you meet are there, but at the same time you're here where my wife is and my cat is and my work fellows. But then it's nice to have that footage to kind of, you know, go back to a little bit and remember. Morning, it's 5 o'clock. I'm going to Helsinki. So I have about an hour before my Finnish colleague are going to pick me up, so I thought I might as well sit on the steps to the big church and join a session back home, 1 hour behind. They will be so jealous of me. Vloggers. This might be really windy, but I'm in a good mood. I'm in a really good mood. Presentation went really well. Had a meeting after that. I met up with Patricia, walking around, rolling around Helsinki in the sun, listening to great music, and just like, huh. Because this is like the shy vlogger's nightmare. You walk in this esplanade and there are people on every side of you looking at you. What the hell is he doing? Stupid Swede. They just assume I'm Swedish because, you know, Swedes do stuff like this. Oh, and it just started playing because I walked here. And there we are, third airport and third capital today. I am craving ice cream. So I don't think I've experienced this before, but I'm actually landing at Copenhagen airport without checked luggage. I could just go straight through, it's beautiful. Hello, Malmö. It's been a long time. I'm on my way to meet a Russian couple, Yarik and Yenya. Alright, Yarik, Yenya, do it. Yeah! Wow, it's very bouncy. Oh my god. Oh. Alright, you're doing it. Don't fall down. And yes. Yeah. Don't fall down. And
yes.
Okay, me too.
Okay, try that. Nice.
If I fall, I will hurt myself a lot.
Great.
You okay? Okay, so we just did a language challenge with this Russian man here and this Russian woman here. How did it go?
It was pretty hard, especially Skånsk variant of Swedish language.
Yeah.
Pretty tough.
And koshka.
Koshka?
Koshka. If you know what koshka means, write it in the comments. Meow. Koshka! Your mom will kick my ass. Privet, but the opposite. Baka! Koshka! Hey då! That was a fun day. Spent 2 hours with Yarik and Genia walking around. It was really nice. Very nice people. Alright Malmö, thank you for this visit. It's been lovely. Now back to Stockholm. Well, today was a good day. It is Monday. It is 4 days until midsummer, and today 2 good things happened, at least if you are me. The first thing was that I got an email from Ladok saying something has happened with your account. And Ladok, for those of you who don't know it, is the let's see, the system for higher education in Sweden, where your points of what you have done academically are gathered. And I went in, and yes, I passed the second part of the course, which means I have completed the course. 15 sweet points into my account, and it's good and fun, because I've been having hand-ins or England is trying to score, England just doesn't score. I've been struggling with this course because we've had hand-ins every other Sunday and a lot of reading in between while having a full-time job. So, second good thing is that Sweden won its opening game in the World Cup against South Korea. We just did a language challenge in Italian, in Swedish. How did it go? What do you think?
I think it's very interesting and
Muy interesado in Spanish.
of course it's my second language.
Ah, bueno, je peux parler un peu espagnol. I was French.
Och ni vill att den här filmen ska spridas så mycket som möjligt.
After 6 weeks of absolutely no rain, dry and we come to midsummer. And as tradition tells, it's raining and it's sunny and it's windy. But the food is still good. Nej!
Och får vi lov, och sjunga skrattbullevisa.
And after the dance came the rain, so good timing still, but still. So yeah, Sweden loses 2-1 in the last second after the referee added 5 minutes. Now I will have some ice cream and feed the cat. Life goes on. So I'm out for the second day of filming for the Old Town video, and right now they're doing a change of the guards, and To think that it was 19 years since I stood there. Yep. So I want to tell you 4 things. 1, it's hot as hell. 2, Sweden are gearing up to face Mexico this afternoon in the final game of the group stage, which will determine if we go on to the final rounds. Yeah. 3rd thing, this boat right here is where I celebrated my birthday a few years ago, listening to Sulala, and on July 14th, Stacey Collins and the Almighty Free will be playing on that. I might go. And 4th and last thing, I'm going over there because we're hosting an event together with Instagram about the launch of IGTV. That's all I have to say about that.
A lot of it is hilarious. I just wanted to give you guys like a quick insight into some of the cool ideas that we've seen, some of the formats that people are trying.
But not everyone that's on Instagram scrolls to the very bottom of their feed.
And content not showing up, so...
A 15-minute train ride. I've been on the train for 40 minutes because of fault, and I'm watching Sweden. They're 2-0 up against Mexico. It's 3-0 Sweden! It's 3-0 Sweden! It's so hot in here, that's why I'm almost naked. Not totally, but yeah. It's 3-0 Sweden, but Mexico is still moving on because Germany hasn't scored on South Korea, but 3-0! I think they've scored more goals in this game than they have all year. Remember how disappointed we were when Germany scored 2-1 in the last second of that game? It now looks as though that goal might send Mexico out, but it's still 0-0 between Germany and South Korea, so Mexican fans are cheering and screaming on the stands. That must mean that either the Germany game against South Korea is over, or that South Korea has actually scored. But the Mexican fans are cheering. This means that Sweden will win the group. Sweden will win the group over South Korea, Mexico, and the world champions. The reigning world champions, Germany. Who would have thought? Unless you were weird. I'm on my way to meet Leia. This should be interesting. I have a theory. It might not be true, but we will never know unless she confirms or does not confirm it. But maybe she put on higher heels for me. We cannot confirm that.
We can confirm it, and it's a no.
You want to say that to the camera?
Yes. Hello.
Part in the shade, part in the sun.
Yeah, it's a good look. No, I didn't put on these shoes just for Martin. Although if he had said, I would really like you to show up in very high heels, I would probably have done it. But
what would that have? that is a weird thing to say.
Well, I don't know. Like, why not? Maybe just enjoy like really high-heeled shoes. But anyway, no, I wear these because despite the fact, despite their heel height, they're actually very comfy. They're very comfortably made.
They are too small for me to verify this. And also the IRL experience does not include clothing pressure from me.
We've coined the term, maybe not coined it, but we have been heavily using the term IRL experience right now.
I'm loving this. This has been... I will come back to that because it's weird to define things now, but I like my life right now.
Yeah, I would say me too. There are times where it's incredibly crushing and maybe I don't want to have to deal with it, but overall can't complain.
I was referring to this moment with her, but...
Oh, okay.
But
no, then I don't feel similarly. Then I'd say it's been very lovely.
It is Saturday, the last of June, and a spontaneous trip to Västerås for Västerås Pride, and also my friend Melanie Weber, who is on the stage over there right now, who's going to perform in a while. She doesn't know I'm here. It's a surprise.
It's not like I can
Alright, the gig is over and I'm heading back to Stockholm. Quick in and out, but I think she was happy. To think that a single month can contain so many happenings, rock festivals, going abroad, giving lectures, celebrating midsummer and meeting a new friend for the second time. The summer has really kicked off and is continuing to fill my life with memories. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of what I do in my life.